Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a scrunchie holder. You will need a toilet paper roll, paper, school glue or a hot glue gun, scissors, a Starbucks container lid like this one, some colorful markers, and optional stickers. So let's get started. First, you cut the paper as the same length as your toilet paper roll. And then you wrap the toilet paper. If there's any excess, you can cut it off. And then you're gonna color this paper any way you like. Because it could be anything. It doesn't matter. And then you roll the paper onto the toilet paper roll tube like this. And then you tape it or glue it. Just like that. If there's excess on the tube, you can cut it off. If you're using scissors, always have an adult to help you with that because you can really cut yourself. And then you take a Starbucks lid container and you put glue on it. And then you glue it on. This part is optional, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. Grab some stickers and decorate your scrunchie holder any way you like. I'm using these rhinestone stickers because they're very pretty. Here is the final product. It makes a perfect birthday gift for a girl who has scrunchies. I hope you all liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I hope everyone has a good day today.